In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Ads account. First, open your browser and search Google Ads. Click on the first link. On the upper right portion of your screen, there are two options: Start Now and Sign In. Click on Sign In. It will then show a prompt that you don't have any Google Ads account. Click on New Google Ads Account. It will show a pop-up where you can add business information, create your ads, and set your budget. Then click on Create Your First Campaign. Input your business name. Your linked accounts will show. Click on Next. Now, choose your goal for this campaign. Click on Store Engagement and click on Next. Here, define who would see your ads. You can search for keywords that best describe your business. You can add up to 50. Once done, click on the Next button. On the right side is a preview of how your ads will show up, and you can select which platform it will appear on. On the left side, you can customize your headlines. For example, in stock and ready to ship, shop quality finds, shop online now, and best stocks. Once done, proceed to the long headline. You can type your own or choose from suggestions. For example, everyday essentials on sale, specially market trends. Then proceed to the description. For example, market trends for sale with cheap prices and fast shipping with low rates. Scroll down and click on the One Landscape Image Plus button. You can select up to 20 images for your ads. For example, shoes. Once done, click on Save. Go to Logo. You can add up to 5 logos. Click Upload from Computer, select your logo, and hit Save. Once done, click on Next. Select Conversion, and you have the option to set a target per action and input an amount. Then click on Next. You can now select your plan depending on your preferred budget and click on Next. Finally, there are two questions that you can check depending on your situation. Then click on Submit. And that's how to create a Google Ads account.